Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your account overview on the Shopify website. This shows the country tied to your profile. Once done, make sure your VPN is off. Shopify uses your IP to detect location. If you moved permanently, have a local payment method ready. This is why Shopify sometimes demands payment country alignment. Next, open the account settings and select Edit Profile. We'll change the country or prepare to use the Shopify Premium payment flow if required. Now you edit the profile. Go to Account Settings, click Edit Profile and check the country dropdown. Pick your new country if it's selectable. If that field is locked, it's because your subscription payment is registered elsewhere. So cancel Premium and wait until your billing period ends, then resubscribe using a local card or a Shopify gift card. Make sure your IP reflects the new country during resubscription. Doing this aligns Shopify's IP detection with the payment country, which completes the change. Finish by logging out everywhere and logging back in. This forces the account sync and updates the displayed country. If the app still shows the old country, clear the cache or reinstall the app. Mobile data can also trigger an IP refresh, so try that briefly. If problems persist, contact Shopify support and provide proof of your new address or payment details. They can manually correct mismatches. One troubleshooting tip: do not use VPN during the whole process, because it prevents Shopify from confirming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.